A very good morning. You're watching News 9 with me, Akshita. Well, first up, the JDS has decided to field former Upalokayukta Chandrasekhar Raya as its candidate for the Mysore-Kodagu Lok Sabha constituency. Chandrasekhar Raya had hit the headlines in 2012 when the Karnataka High Court annulled the appointment, causing huge embarrassment to the BJP government led by D.V. Sadananda Gowda. But it looks like JDS has decided to take Chandrasekhar Raya into their wing, and he will be contesting from the Mysore-Kodagu Lok Sabha constituency. Thereby, of course, he will be put up against Pratap Simha as well as A.H. Vishwanath of the BJP and Congress respectively. Chandrasekhar Raya was the former Upalokayukta. I remember this was way back in 2012, and the Karnataka High Court had gone ahead and annulled his appointment soon after he was named the Upalokayukta. My colleague Arun joins us with more information. Arun, a controversial figure, but it looks like he has decided to go ahead and join the JDS.
Akshita, the controversy erupted in 2012 apparently because of some kind of bungling on the part of the government. Remember, at that point of time, we had the BJP government, which was headed by the then Chief Minister and now Bangalore North nominee, D.V. Sadananda Gowda. The reason why the appointment was annulled was because the government had not consulted the then Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court, that is Mr. Justice Vikramjit Sen, and that had caused a bit of a problem, finally leading to the annulment of the appointment by the Karnataka High Court. Now, this particular decision to field the former Upalokayukta Chandrasekhar Raya by the JDS also will help to settle one major problem, because remember, it was only yesterday that we came across the former Chief Minister and JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy telling media, or confirming to media rather, that the former Congress politico Jafar Sharif, C.K. Jafar Sharif, who had joined JDS and had actually taken the B form, had refused to file his papers, and that he had merely faxed a letter to the party supremo H.D. Deve Gowda saying that he would not be in a position to become the JDS's nominee for the Mysore-Kodagu constituency. So now that problem is sorted out. We have a confirmation that former Upalokayukta Chandrasekhar Raya will be filing his nomination. He will be representing the JDS in the Mysore-Kodagu Lok Sabha seat. And he will be pitted against the incumbent Congress MP H. Vishwanath. So we will have a battle on the cards. Remember, there was some speculation as to who could be the probable nominee from the JDS side. There was a name speculated about of G.T. Deve Gowda, a former minister in the BJP government, who then subsequently jumped ship and went and joined the JDS. Now it appears that G.T. Deve Gowda will not be there. It will be Chandrasekhar Raya. So he will be filing his nomination at 1 this afternoon, Akshita.
Right, Arun. Now, as you mentioned, the JDS had several people whom they were considering for this particular constituency. But at the end of the day, Chandrasekhar Raya, someone who has just newly entered politics, a good decision to go ahead and pit him against the likes of H. Vishwanath and Pratap Simha.
That's right, Akshita, because remember, at this point of time, you need to get people, first of all, as your nominees. So if there are some spots which are vacant, obviously most of these parties will have to work overtime to ensure that there is no problem. Also remember, there is dissentment and resentment in the ranks. So that has to be snubbed. You are coming across instances where there is some amount of dissent within the ranks across all the three major political parties, be it the BJP, be it the Congress, or even for that matter the JDS. So that has to be nipped in the bud and ensure that the official nominee gets the backing from all the party workers, Akshita.
Right, Arun, thank you so much for joining us with all that information. But finally, the JD is going ahead and deciding exactly who will represent them in that all-important constituency of Mysore Kodagu. And they have zeroed in on the former Upalokayukta, the controversial Chandrasekhar Raya, who was, of course, ousted in 2012 by the Karnataka High Court. What will his prospects be? Well, we'll have to wait and watch. But, of course, he will be filing his nomination today, considering that it is the last day to file nominations in the state.